Ryan from Mourne here. We're just outside Carlingford. We're going to show you a frameless glass balustrade that we've done for this new build home. So the customer first got in contact with us. As I said, this was a new build home, so we were involved right from the get-go. His request was a frameless glass balustrade. So we came and looked at the job, and we decided earlier on that the best thing to do was to hide the channel, which was an option. As I say, we were involved from the very start, and we actually worked alongside the builder. We fitted our channel to the block work. The builder then shuttered each side of the channel and poured his concrete. After that, we came and fitted the glass, and it really just makes the glass look like it's coming up out of the coping. You can't see the channel at all. As I said before in different videos, if we can get involved early, the better. One of the main advantages with the frameless glass balustrading would be that there's zero blockage of the view that you would have. The other advantage would be when you're sitting out on a breezy day, you're very well sheltered with it, and again it provides a safety aspect as well. So when it comes to a frameless glass balustrade, or any balustrade for that matter, the key is the foundation on which the balustrade is fixed to. As I said, in this particular instance, we worked along with the builder. We were able to fix our channel to the concrete, and then he shuttered up either side, so that is a very good fix, and that's ideal. A lot of the time people maybe would have a wooden deck area and they think they could go with a glass balustrade. That isn't always the case. As I say, the key of the whole thing to a glass balustrade is the foundation on which it lies on. So the actual channel in which the glass sits in is an aluminium channel. We then fit the glass inside the channel and resin the glass in place. So once we're away from the job, there's very little maintenance with the glass balustrade. Whenever you're cleaning your windows, for example, just give the glass a clean with a cloth, hot soapy water, that type of thing. There's going to be no rust, which there could be with rails, especially when you're so close to a shore here. So there's very little maintenance. As I say, just basically keep on top of it when you're cleaning your windows. If you have a need for a frameless glass balustrade, if you're in the process of building a new home and you're thinking of how you're going to do the balustrade, contact us at info@mournecraft.com.